folks. Welcome to Appalachia Atcha, the podcast hosted by yours truly, Ronnie Cowan. As an extension agent for the University of Tennessee and a certified wildlife biologist, I'm excited to share my expertise in agriculture and natural resources with you. Being a native Appalachian, my passion for Southern Appalachians shine through as we explore the diverse aspects of life here, from engaging discussions on hobby farming, gardening, wildlife, and fishery science. The unique intersection of culture and agriculture, we've got it all covered. This podcast is like a cerebral rocking chair, providing a space for thoughtful conversation and real-life solutions. Whether you dream of becoming a farmer, seek nature inspiration, or are curious about the Appalachian way of life, you'll find a wealth of knowledge and inspiration right here. Through in-depth interviews, expert insights, and good old storytelling, Appalachia Atcha captures the essence of the Southern Appalachians. My guests and I highlight the beauty, challenges, and opportunities found in this remarkable region. And we won't just stop at admiration, we'll also dive into practical tips and actionable advice, from sustainable farming practices to conservation efforts. We're all about making a positive impact on our communities and the environment. Get ready to be inspired, educated, and entertained as we put the culture in agriculture. All right, hello, welcome to the podcast. We're going to show you around a little bit about our base operation here in Blount County, Tennessee. I'm an extension agent for the University of Tennessee. I specialize in agriculture and natural resources, and I also do some 4-H youth development. But we'll get started here. I'd like to show you our headquarters. So if you navigate, we are here in Maryville, Tennessee, and our staff is John Wilson. He is our county director, agriculture agent, and Amy Berger is our 4-H agent. We also partner with our land grant, Tennessee State University. She is a 4-H agent for TSU. This is yours truly. Mary Beth Lima is a family consumer science agent who deals with all different kinds of issues, family consumer science, and does a great job for us. We have James McMillan, who's our UT 4-H agent, deals with youth development. So many folks out there may be familiar with 4-H youth development, but we do something for everybody really here in Blount County. If you're in our footprint, which is the Southern Appalachians, this information can be useful to you, even if you're not in Blount County. But if you're in Southern Appalachia and this East Tennessee mountain land, a lot of this will apply to you. So hopefully you'll give us a chance to listen to us. We are all supported by these very important people down here. We have Sherry Arden, Rachel Lawson, Nancy Peak, and Danielle Trotter really supports our educational efforts and our programming efforts. So you'll see their smiling faces taking care of us and helping the functions of the office. There is a UT Extension office in every county in Tennessee. They are your liaison from the research at the University of Tennessee Institute of Agriculture. So we bridge that information between the land grant college and the residents of Tennessee. But even if you're across the border here in North Carolina or Virginia, on up into the Southern Appalachians, you can still find this useful and hope you enjoy it. So this has been an introduction to our podcast. Our first episode will air very soon. If you have any questions, you can contact me at 865-982-6430 or give me an email at rcowan2@tennessee.edu. Be happy to discuss, and hope you give us a follow on our platforms, and we'll talk to you soon.